Yeah, hi coders. Welcome to the channel Java Hello World. So coders, today we'll discuss about the difference between abstract class and the interface. So what is, as I have already discussed regarding the abstract class and the interface in my previous lectures, but I will tell you about the difference between both two of them. So let's start. So here, like abstract class is nothing but uh, that is the class where we have the concrete method as well as the abstract methods. So the first difference is it has abstract method as well as the concrete methods in the abstract class. But in case of interface, interface can only have the abstract methods until Java 8. After Java 8, we have the default and static methods as well. So inside that default and static methods, we can write the body implementation. But uh, in case of abstract class, we can do both of the things. But before Java 8, in case of interface, we are not able to do so. So we'll write with default and static methods inside this so that uh, we can add the body implementation. Now, for the abstract class, can have instance variable. So in the case of abstract class, it has instance variable. But in case of interface, interface doesn't have the variable. It has only the constants, which is public static final. So whenever you just remember this thing, whenever you will try to create a variable in the case of interface, it will be by default it will be public static and final. Okay, so we cannot instantiate the variable in case of interface. Now the third point, abstract class has constructors. We can create the constructor in case of abstract class, and we can create the instances of that through that, like by calling the class itself. But in case of interface, we cannot have the constructor. We cannot call. We cannot make the object of that with calling the interface. So just remember this. It doesn't have the constructor. Interface doesn't have the constructor, and abstract class does have the constructor. Now the fourth point. A class can extend only one abstract class, which is a single inheritance. Means one class can extend only one abstract class. But in case of interface, a class can implement multiple interfaces. So multiple inheritance is possible in case of interface. Okay, so a class can implement multiple interfaces. So multiple inheritance can be possible, can be achievable in case of interface. So like we can implement as many as class we want. Okay, but in case of abstract class, we can extend only one class. Now the fifth difference, can have access specifiers for field and the methods. We have access specifiers for both of them, which is fields and methods in case of abstract class. But in case of interface, all methods in an interface are implicitly public and abstract, except the default and static. So we cannot have the we cannot have the don't have the access specifier in case of interface, which we have by default public and abstract. So just remember these points in case of, means this is the very sure should ask question in the interview about what is the abstract class and the interface. So we can denote the abstract class as abstract class and the class name, like animal, and we can denote the interface as interface, public interface, public interface animal. animal. Okay, like that we can do. So this is something about the difference between abstract class and the interface. So so if you found this video is helpful, please like the video, comments if you have any doubts, and please subscribe the channel to see another video in the another lecture. So we'll meet in the another video. Until unless, bye.